In this world, people are very used to what they are used to. People that think that they are outside the box, sometimes themselves are in the box. There is a very big abyss between thriving and surviving. And the Indians on this island, they didn't survive, they thrived. And with foraging, it always expanded my horizons because I can really experience the island from the other point of view. My passion is bringing Aruba to the table. I love Aruba because of the rawness of it, you know. Sometimes it can be very sunny and suddenly it rains and all the smells change, especially the plants, they have very potent flavors. Very, very delicious. We have a lot of stuff. We have cacti. We have edible flowers. We have plants that you can roast them and make something that you can call coffee. I want to explore. So, I'm making falafels of cacti. I'm making gelato of cacti. I'm making compote of cacti. We can explore a whole other dimension by eating stuff that we're not used to. Sometimes you have to go in the woods without your Bluetooth and you'll hear what nature is just singing to you. It's an amazing world, man.